doing beef goulash here. Beef goulash. Yeah.
So the dough has risen once, has
Yes.
it?
The dough is risen double size.
Double
Then,
size.
yes, then I knead it, I roll it, and then I let it rise again.
Yeah, a double rising.
Double rise, then I
Yeah,
put it in the oven.
that's what we do.
Yes.
Except we don't usually do it outdoors in a thunderstorm and
Yes.
cooking under an open fire.
Yeah.
Oh, yum.
It's a mini loaf. Now we check the rolls. There's the rolls.
They look great.
Good.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure.
I look forward to having them tonight.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Hey,
That's great.
Kenny, what have we got for lunch today?
Okay, today we have baked macaroni with tuna flavor, and we got beef sausages, some fried bacon, baked beans. We do have, green salad, which is a Greek salad. Last but not least, we got fresh bread on the table and fresh fruit. I hope you guys will enjoy your meal. Thank you very much. Hope to see more better than this on the evening. I got a surprise for you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Kenny.
Thank you, thank you.
The bread looks absolutely delicious.
Thank you.
I make bread at home.
Yes.
And
It's a homemade bread.
this looks wonderful.